cruising. We're in St. Elizabeth somewhere now, but I look for some of them little hog plum there. You know them little hog plum, sweet plum that we always find on the road. Some people call it hog plum, some people call it nose plum. I'll hear some people call it, I don't know if it's the same thing, but there's another one called nose knot plum and things like that. So we are hunting. It's IR here with the wife and the little food boss. Yeah, man. South Coast, going either Treasure Beach, Black River, any side like that. You know I have to stop in Middle Quaters. I have to come check out Omar and Pops and everybody down at Almond Tree. So we just stopping to pick up some pepper shrimp for the family. We need some for the drive, and it's a popular thing, you know, everybody needs pepper shrimp anytime you pass in Middle Quaters. Any Jamaican, you know, it's like when somebody coming from foreign, you have to bring something. So same, so when you're coming to Middle Quaters, you have to bring back some shrimp. Eh? Around 10 pounds? No, more 2. 2 pounds? But more of them, one half. You don't have enough, man. I have to go make some more. What kind of soup?
It's not one.
Eh? No, that one is fresh. What kind of soup? What kind of soup?
Shrimp soup or chicken soup.
Shrimp and chicken.
And a curry goat, fried chicken, stew chicken, curry chicken.
Curry goat, fried chicken, stew chicken.
Yeah. Boiled corn, fritters.
Want a boiled corn too, yeah, man.
Peanut porridge.
How much a pound?
3-4. 3-4 pound now. They're raising them still heavy.
3-4 a pound?
They're raising them still heavy price of it. They're raising from this year, still heavy center.
Always pest me. Hot and rotting. Tough Jamaican can. Let's see if we get. That's a seasoning in the water. Jamaican corn is not like American corn. It's not like sweet corn where you get an intense sweet flavor. It's very dry, very bland usually. Sometimes very tough. This one is actually a little softer. I'm trying now to make sweet corn in Jamaica. Some people having a good success with it, some people are not. This one though is on the tough side but softer than usual. And they use the juice to put the flavor into the corn because not a lot of flavor in Jamaican corn. It's just naturally bland. I look for curry goat and pink shop now. What? Pink shop curry goat bad and rotted. I can't believe I miss it. I have to go check them on the way back. This is Holland Bamboo Curry. This is a place that I usually stop at. We haven't done a video here yet. I've been dying to do a video here. This is a place where they serve curry and roti, and the curry here is simply amazing. It's excellent, very flavorful and spicy. One thing that's missing in a lot of curry that this one is not missing is the heat. They come with the flavor, they come with the scotch bonnet, and they put all of that into a pot, serve you in your little box with that roti. And it's just, it's stupendously awesome. You know, those awesome, the bang. Heading into St. Elizabeth from the west or from Montego Bay side, the shop is on the left. And heading towards Westmoreland or towards Montego Bay, the shop is on your right. You cannot miss the yellow shop. It does say it says Holland Bamboo Curry. Some of the best curry that I've had in Jamaica has come from this shop. This shop used to be pink, now it's yellow. I've been coming here for years, and this is the first time that we've had the pleasure of actually putting the curry on camera. So let's see what they have. Blood fire.
Wow, so the scotch
blood fire. Tell you, say the pepper here. Always in it. The scotch bonnet is always in there. Them always come with the spice when you eat here.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Let's see what's going on for this one. Whoop. Wow. Just a tray of friggin' coffin box of curry. You can't get better than that. There's a scotch bonnet. And over here, the smell. Wow, the smell of the curry. Oh, and there you have it. You got the curry with that pepper. We have the bonnet. Man, they got rice and peas. I don't know. I'm a naturalist. Me eat my curry with either white rice or roti. I can't eat with the rice and peas and roti. Means that I eat it, but I'm just a naturalist. I'm just a purist when it comes to that. Curry, I want the curry flavor. I don't want anything else in there. I want the curry with that seasoning to hit the white rice, pinch it or even dump it all over it. Yo, I could see if it hits you with that flavor still. I see the scotch bonnet, all of that in there. Just look at what's happening in this. All of that. With the roti to sop up in all of that. I do some damage right now, I can tell you that. Sweating, and I don't even start with the pepper yet. The tender. Right away the heat. Not curry. Take a dip out of this curry goat swimming pool. This curry goat swimming pool is ready for dipping. No, we're not even going to dip like that. We're going to go all up in there and want all of that. Soak up some of the pepper, some of that flavor all into that. And get a piece of meat on it as well. And worth the travel from anywhere. Very good. This curry is ridiculous. It's worth the drive from anywhere in Jamaica. The heat off it, the flavors are soaked in. It's just well done, well prepared. Like most places, cooked with love. That's what you're getting out of it. The taste is just that they take the time to prepare it. The roti is tender. I mean, put some of that in the roti, you know, and create a little roti patty. With a little bit of scotch bonnet on it. Create a little roti patty. Look at that. Still going. Crazy, they have a house right there. Right there is the family house. They wake up, they prepare the food right here, cook it in here, serve it to the road right there. Can't get better than that. Holland Bamboo. The famous curry shop. What used to be the pink curry shop, now the yellow Lucasade shop. Curry does. Well, that's one stop. We got more to go. Next. Yo, still a sweat from the curry. Nose are run. And so when the nose are run and you sweat a good food, can't complain about that and can't say a lie that either. Still in Holland Bamboo. The journey continues. We'll have some more stops until we get down to the final destination. Busting up on what we are playing for Touch the Road. Big up Marlon, my brethren, Marlon Music. I hear a tune. This will listen while we are traveling the road. Country where the country we come from. Bush God, big up. I just realized that we really should have just walked, because after that now, me feel for a coconut and we just leave right there, so I'm really just gonna pull up right us up on the little stand and see what I'm going. Mama, me not even give you a chance to eat.
You not give me no chance?
Me not give you a chance to eat. Me and stop and see what you have.
I eat man.
I want one coconut there, 2 jelly me want. How them stay? Them sweet?
Like how you?
Like how me? I like how you. Are you sweet? I literally could have walked next door from where we were. We were right over there where that car is, and we just pulled up right here because this nice sweet lady have some sweet jelly. What she says, sweet like a her.
That's one nice sweet plant, give me.
I'm planting and thing.
On the front end lifter.
The front end lifter.
See it before you there.
I go, me know what. The raw one.
Yes.
So raw peanut. Front end lifter. Heat mango, which we got. You have sour sap.
Alright, mama.
Hello,
Corn,
how you doing?
honey banana, honey banana. I'm planting. You wanted sweet sap or anything like that?
I like the one and I look false.
I want to look false.
Yes, I'm going to show you. See it?
Yeah,
Look a bit of spermy night.
yeah.
Ah, it's one sexy one, yeah.
You said I want a sexy. Sexy like you. The other way you say if I want to sweet like me, this I want a sexy like you.
Like how you be?
Like you.
You think you in a mama day. What you mama?
Yeah.
She'll wine harder. Make it run out. So me turn you.
I say if it's that, so we hold every time. So if you say what I wear, I want a nice man. I don't know what she talk about, and she said this I want a skin keen. You want this I want a...
The jelly.
You can hold it. Honey banana.
You know, so if you see plant, you buy one hand. It's nice, you know.
I check you when I come back that side. What means me I go so and come back.
You don't know it rain.
No, I not today. Me check you tomorrow when I come back.
In a flood out yesterday, you know?
In a flood out?
Yeah.
The rain take over the place.
Yesterday, bamboo flood out, me I tell you.
Thank you.
A fire brigade have to cut down the bamboo them, you know what?
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
All night I saw me there. Flood out. I said bunt. I said 3 man.
Bombat. It's sweet, your blood fire.
You
I
want
said
a straw? I don't, Matthew, just...
No, I don't want a straw.
Matthew just put it in your head.
I don't need no straw. Straw.
I can put this in your garbage.
Yeah, man.
Thanks.
Yeah, man. Wash off your hand. Yeah, I don't.
Matthew, you drink it too fast. I can't do that fast.
No, you can't do it.
I have to take this off.
Sperm jelly, you get, you know. You know?
Eh?
Sperm jelly, you get.
That's it, car.
Yeah.
See it there?
Look, the sperm count.
Sweet.
Sweet like a Matthew.
I'm too sweet. That's how I got here.
Eh?
That's how I got here.
You should have pushed him off, man.
Alright, me should have pushed her off.
I don't know if she sit down on the rail. Lord of mercy. There you go, yeah. Have to do it out there, so alright, now make it.
Give me one hot girl picture.
Buy a coconut.
Hey, hot girl picture.
Yeah, man.
You go, sir.
Listen, you conduct your show. Give me a hot girl picture.
And this a girl that make you walk stop. Mickey. What is it?
Sharon, big up yourself every time.
Yeah, man, every time.
Every
man.
time. Yeah.
Yeah. So me do it when they come in.
So much about this place, St. Elizabeth. It is a special place. It's so unique. The people are amazing. Holland Bamboo, the places that you have down here are amazing. It's just, you have all sorts of Caribbean flavor. You have all sorts of Jamaican flavor. At every time you stop, every little corner bar, any little place that you go to, whether it's down on the south coast near to Treasure Beach, Black River, coming down to Middle Quaters, heading up to Junction, going up towards Mandeville, Spur Tree side, just the whole area of this, it's an amazing place, and it's truly something that we need to share and bring out more. People need to see what this part of Jamaica has. It's not just the tourist destinations that you have, the Montego Bays, the Falmouths and stuff like that, but there's a whole Jamaica out there to be explored.
You twin, you know.
Yeah, twin?
And I have 2-time twin, poor girl.
Oh my goodness. Two twins.
How much may I pay?
2-time twin.
Wow.
$4. 2-time twin.
How much fun I peanut them?
What dollar them you want?
Yeah, none for $2. $2. How much we have?
$200.
Eh?
$200.
That's how it is.
Yes, I eat that too.
Nah, trouble, that's a hang. Nah, trouble,
Then
that's a hang.
I base in this one.
Yeah, man. Just stopped near Spur Tree Hill at a little bar, and the people must say, yo, a cash back we are talking about. I see which rakes and who sillies and who see what. Restaurant place. Roast and boil corn. Jamaica stop this one. We're at the top of Spur Tree Hill and we stopped by this little Ital soup place. This guy that has corn up heading into Mandeville. It's on the right. He has a lot of corn and does Ital soup. This place is always busy. Constantly has a crowd. Constantly has people coming in to get food, get soup. The soup, Ital corn soup is what he has on the thing, and he has a big pot of soup that he just constantly cooking in. And people just line up and come in drones for this right at the top of Spur Tree Hill heading into Mandeville. No, give me a big one, please. This is a popular spot. He said that the JTB came down and visited him last week, did a video with them as well. See that? They rub clay on the pot. The clay is rubbed on the pot so the pot don't get black from all of the smoke that comes off of it when you're running a coal fire, you're running anything with wood fire or something like that. You know, when you put your pot on it, the pot has the potential to get dark and black up. Up here, up this side, they rub clay on it. The clay keeps the heat and it also keeps it and makes it easier to clean.
How you doing? Alright. Your soup looks lovely. I think I might.
Reduce your risk of viral illnesses like the flu and coronavirus. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water. Cover your nose and mouth when coughing with a tissue and avoid close contact with anyone with the cold or flu-like symptoms. If you think you've been exposed to COVID-19, stay home.
Thank you. Thank you very much. You can't. Look at that. Just a little spot on the side of the road, as it said, going up Spur Tree Hill is on the right. I'm lucky enough right now where this is the first time there's a few people here, but usually there's way more people here when we stop or when we're passing. So I could see what I'm going. We just a catch on the side road. This is a favorite type of vibes. You don't know, little music I play, little corn, little soup. Or better than that, man, right on Spur Tree Hill. Check this out. Yo, I just bite, I had a little nibble. Just a small nibble of the corn. The baddest thing about this, yo, the corn have flavor of scotch bonnet and it's not hot. It's just flavor. It tastes like scotch, but it's like biting into a pepper, a corn pepper. I don't know. It's like the pepper bust in the pot, I can understand that, but for the corn, I told you earlier, Jamaica, our corn doesn't really have a lot of flavor, so for it to soak in that scotch bonnet flavor. Come, you look like, alright, come. Here about scotch bonnet, come. Yeah, man. Now the Ital sip. Amanda said it before that it have a whole heap of flavor. Yeah man. Oh, wow. Brother, yo, no man, I have to take this up. This a sip and a normal. This a sip and a normal. This Ital sip is packed with flavor. Oh my god. And yes, you're still getting the scotch bonnet in there, but the scotch bonnet just don't have that whole heap of heat. It's just flavorful. The bits of corn had a little crunch to it in there. Everything has boiled right out into it. And I'm maggie this. The pumpkin, the puree, piece of thyme. Well seasoned, lots of love going into this. You can't see why this place is so popular. There's a bowl of peanut in there. Yeah man, I taste the peanut man. Peanut in there as well. Mr. Paul himself now come back and but him sit down everywhere over there and catch and I eat. Mr. Paul, I know you don't want to go on camera, but I have to tell you how fantastic the soup is. No man. Boy, I mean, no matter again, because the soup is excellent, sir. Very good. One of the best Ital soup I have in a long time. The peanut and everything just have it. The flavor, everything where you get into it. This is the type of vibe what we love to talk about. This is Jamaica. Keep up on the roadside, on pot or bubble. Good things in the pot. Fun stuff. I just met Mr. Paul. I've stopped here before his first and him sit down and just have a talk before. You can find this all over Jamaica, all over the place. It's just to get out and get into whatever it is that you love to do. Explore your island, explore every corner, every crevice. Get out and meet some new people. I mean, Jamaica has this stigmatism of crime and stuff, but there's so many good people out there that outweigh that bad. And we need to start getting back to that. Buddy, there's nothing to mix up to show you. It's just lots of flavor. No yam or nothing in there, but the peanut, the corn, it's sweet. The pumpkin have a sweetness to it. Yeah man, anytime I go to Mandeville, I forgot to stop here. So now, pepper shrimp, Ital soup, 2 must stop. One thing though, you have to watch for the truck them and the car them when you try to get in the car. Lord, fire seat them. Mind how you step out, run out. Careful how you cross the road. Look left, look right, look up, look down. And do it again. In the car and I'm still drinking the soup. And another flavor just hit me, and it's a flavor I describe all the time and anytime we're cooking on wood fire. The flavor of the wood is in the soup. The last set I sit, it just hit even more. The smoke flavor of it just has entered the soup, and trust me, it's magnificent. How much people man got them, darling? Hi.
Hi, baby girl.
How much for the mangoes?
100 for one.
100. Can get 5, please? Want some nice ones?
Yes.
Yes, that would be nice.
Thank you.
What kind of mango is this, you know?
Cheese.
You're right, yeah man. You know your mangoes though. Thank you. One more nice one that kind of turned, not right.
This one, which one?
Whichever, which one nice and third? That third. Yeah, that nice.
This nice?
Yes,
That be right one. No, it's 5 there.
It's 5 right here.
No, you're getting a brata.
Oh, much brata, thank you, darling. Thank you very much, yeah?
Yes.
Alright, bye.